Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Clickbank recurring income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more monthly recurring commissions have recently come in. But more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how you can join Clickbank for free and you can get this product for free and you can use this product to earn monthly recurring commissions with the system that's built into it, and it's got a 7-figure earner training that's going to help you do that. So first of all, I'll just show you the proof of income, and then I'll show you the product that I've been promoting and how you can do the same. What they do with Clickbank, they give you, I'm in live in my account here, and they give you this weekly snapshot. And these $21 commissions are monthly recurring commissions. So what I'll do is I'll go into my transactions and just show you from the start exactly how it works. So you can select a date range, and I'm going to go right back to October the 1st when I started promoting, and we'll go to today's date, which is the 5th of February, and we'll press go. And then that will bring up the transactions. So you'll see the total here, and this is all monthly recurring income. So I haven't paid anything for the product. I'm promoting a product that's free, and these are from, there's an upgrade option within the product. So even though the free product is great, it's a free autoresponder, even though that's a great product with a done for you system built into it, there is an upgrade option, and some of my referrals have upgraded. So what you'll see here in this column here is a transaction type. You'll see rebill, and this is where you earn your monthly recurring payments. So what this means is that the members are happy with the product. They're getting results with the product. Otherwise, they wouldn't continue paying a monthly membership fee for this product. So that's how you earn monthly recurring commissions by promoting a free product. And you can use it yourself. I'll just show you here. So you go into clickbank.com, and if you're not familiar with Clickbank, it's been an affiliate marketplace now for 20 years. It started out as digital products, and they've now expanded the range into physical products. And there are hundreds of different niches within this marketplace, not just the make money online niche, which I'm in. So when you go into Clickbank, you type in free responder, and that's what this product is. It's a free autoresponder, and it not only teaches you how to make money online in the make money online niche, it teaches you in several niches. I came across this product when some of my students asked me they couldn't afford to pay the monthly membership on an autoresponder. So I did some research to find a free autoresponder, and that's when I came across this product here. So what it's done, I'll just scroll down here and show you just the 4 or 5 steps that you do in here. So you just go past a little bit past all this this psychological information, and then we come down here to how the system itself works. Now, if I come here, this is the passive income section here. So first of all, free tool number 1, they give you professional lead magnets. Now the owner, Steve, he's been marketing online for 20 years. He's very successful in using this system. It works. System that's been working for 20 years and still works today. So the lead magnet, this is where the different niches come in here. The lead magnets are in all these different niches: relationship, email copies, weight loss, bodybuilding and fitness. He'll teach you whatever niche you're in. He's got all these lead magnets that he uses, and it gives you all the ready-made lead capture pages and download pages, a complete done-for-you system. And you'll see how professional these are, these lead capture pages here. So if you're an absolute beginner, it's perfect for you because you don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to spend the time creating copy. which is to learn that in the early days of affiliate marketing is quite time consuming. It's a new skill to learn. He does hosting for those tools, and this is what he calls the unlimited list management system, and he calls it the most important and valuable part of the entire system. This is the autoresponder and follow-up system. And he says, of course, I provide all of this for you 100% free. So that's how the system works. It's all step by step. He's got a training in the back office as well. So it's really beginner friendly, and you can use that autoresponder and the system to start making money online, especially if you're an absolute beginner. It's really beginner friendly. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And also, if you know anybody who'll get value from this video, then please share the video as well, and I'd appreciate that too. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. Then you'll get notified of all my new videos. I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 900 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about Clickbank or about the free autoresponder or the system that goes with it, then please leave those questions in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I've also put a link to this in the description to, where's the product? I'll put a link in the description to this product if you want to get this product for free and start to promote the system. You can do that and learn some new skills with Stephen's training. And then I'm also going to put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email, or if you'd like some one-to-one mentoring with myself. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.